Hi guys, it's Diana. Shiv behind the camera. Your favorite realtor is here to give you a tour of this gorgeous Hanover home in Cypress Oaks, Groveland. So here you have your formal living area or office, whatever you choose to make it.
That's beautiful, honey.
Yep. If you see the flooring, really nice tile. This is a 70-30 layout. And let me give you a tour. So Hanover Builders is one of our favorite builders right now. They're locally owned and they do great quality work.
Can I take a look at the restroom
Go
here?
ahead.
This is a guest
Half
bathroom?
bath.
Nice. Okay.
So here's your kitchen. Beautiful open concept. So if you love to cook.
Lovely.
Oh yes, and a pantry is to die for. Look at this space, so you can go shopping.
Let me get around
And look,
there.
you can't see me. I'm done.
Where's Diana? Oh, there you are.
So if you need storage space, you definitely have it.
Oh,
So
wow.
yep, and you have nice shelving. Oh, look at this. Look at the windows. Double pane windows. Lots of natural lighting. How gorgeous is this model? You got crown molding.
Wow.
Yep. So you get to design this home from scratch. You go to Design Center and you get to choose what you would like to upgrade and customize it to your liking.
Hey, honey, how's it going?
Hey dear, so wanted to mention some great stuff to you. So right now, Hanover Family Builders, the great promotion they're running is $12,500. They're gonna give our buyers towards closing costs or upgrades, and also $2,500 they're gonna take off of the lot premiums.
That's sweet.
So that's a great deal. So call Shiv or myself, and I'd love to represent you. And again, remember, you pay us nothing to represent you. It's like going to court. You have a lawyer there to represent you, and you pay them nothing. So we would love to help you. Inspection, writing the contract, appraisal, closing date, and beyond. We are here for you. We are your realtors.
Oh, thank you.
Hope to hear from you soon.
That's awesome. Hey.